Introducing Softaken MBOX Conversion Suite, your one-stop solution for exporting MBOX files effortlessly and accurately across multiple platforms. With Softaken MBOX Suite, converting MBOX files to PST, MSG, NSF, TGZ, EML, and more is just a few clicks away. No technical expertise required, just an intuitive, easy-to-use tool for seamless migration. Getting started with Softaken MBOX Suite is quick and easy. Simply download and install the software on your Windows PC and open the application. Step 1. Choose multiple MBOX files, or entire folders for conversion. The software will automatically show you a preview of your files. Step 2. Choose your preferred output file format from a range of options: PST, NSF, TGZ, EML, EMLX, HTML, PDF, and more. Step 3. Apply custom filters. Select a naming convention and set the destination path where your converted files will be saved. Step 4. Want to import your MBOX files directly into an online email client like Gmail? Just choose the IMAP option. Connect your account and start the transfer. With Softaken MBOX Conversion Suite, transferring, migrating, or converting MBOX files to your preferred format or platform has never been this easy. For any assistance or inquiries, our technical support team is here to help. Simply drop us an email at support@softaken.com. Thanks for watching.